Hello, gorgeous people. So it's quite funny. I got invited to a PR event for a house deco, house furniture event here in Portugal. It's my first event I'm going in Portugal, and they saw me on Instagram. So yeah, it starts at 5 o'clock. I'm already late, but you know, it would be nice to have some drinks, meet new people, make some connections here, some friends maybe, I don't know. We'll go and see what's going on, and I'll keep you posted, I'll show you around. And also, it's absolutely beautiful. No sun, but it's beautiful. Alright, so, well, the event starts at 5 o'clock. It's 4:50 now. It takes 20 minutes by bike to go there, but it doesn't matter because they don't have to be there right on time. It's like a PR event, and yeah, you can go even 6, whatever. But for me, the easiest way to go around the city from what I experienced so far is this lime squiggles. I'm used to them. There are not too many bikes, and obviously you take Uber and you know, the tuk-tuks and everything, or the public transport. But for me, I found this one the best ones, and they do like deals, 240 minutes for like 24 euros, something like that, or more. And they're quite fast, legal everywhere, easy to park them everywhere, most of the time. And yeah, so let's jump on one of these and let's see how it goes and how fast can I go there. See ya. Alright, gorgeous people, we're off at the location. I think I'm the first one here. Check this out, that's the place. There you go, LDV. Look at that. From first impression, it's just beautiful, very futuristic, very high quality, I think. And it's funny because I got in their shop because I wanted to look for some neon lights for my home studio, for my YouTube channel. And I saw a few, but I was not convinced yet. And they saw my story on Instagram, so they invited me for a PR event here. Yeah. And it's just beautiful. It's just another person came earlier, and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna show you up and down and what these guys have. They look beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Then look at this table over here. Right. All right, guys. So without the event, we're still here. It's a lovely crowd. We had a few drinks and really nice nights. We met few people. Well, I met few people. Quite a lovely bunch, I would say. And they launched new furniture. It's by a private company, by a well-known artist. Actually, two. I'll show you in a bit how it looks like. Very 50 years, but very stylish. And I think you can call it like that. Anyway, I had too many glasses of wine. And look at this location. This place is just beautiful. Let me show you. So obviously the clientele here will be people who appreciate minimalistic stuff and handmade items, and obviously high quality. Could be very pricey, but then you know, you pay, you get good stuff, and it's all design, interior design, house things. They do custom pieces, and let me show you also what's up here. So just really and yeah, I mean, look, this is what I was talking about. This is the two pieces of furniture that they're promoting. One of them is like this, very, very beautiful. And the other one is by a Spanish company. It's called Pond. So yeah, I'll link their details in the bio. Do your comments if you know this company. If you're interested, then see what they have. They have another shop in Porto, and they open another one up north near Spanish border. I don't know the town. But it looks quite interesting. Yeah, so it's a lot of party here. Yes, I took a lime scooter from the event for I don't know, north central of Lisbon, and back to Alfama here, close to Alfama district. And look, they already have like Christmas. I don't even know if it's Christmas, like booth with like alcohol and food and It's like a party scene over here, and I saw a few of them across the town. Yeah, it's buzzing. It's about what, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? I don't know. So yeah, that's conclude today mini vlog. You can see you can make friends here quite easily. You get to events. It's a buzzing place, and I invite everyone to come around and check it out. And if you move here and you don't have any friends at the beginning, yeah, just drop me a comment. I'll come and meet up, and we'll go around and we'll do things. That sounded a bit weird, but yeah. Anyway, drop a comment, and if you're into filmmaking, videography, discovering her beautiful city of Lisbon, drop me a comment. Let's do this. See ya next time.